Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are doing a delicious Millie's ice cream recipe. It's gonna be actually probably really quick, really easy. You might as well grab yourself some extra ice cream to eat while you make this because, you know, it's ice cream, it's Millie's ice cream, it's delicious homemade creamy goodness. But, sorry, I'm like daydreaming about eating some perfect ice cream right now. Maybe after this video. But we're gonna be making a delicious ice cream pie. It's gonna be so good. Let's go ahead and get started on making a delicious, perfect ice cream pie. So our first step is to start on our chocolate crust. So we're gonna go ahead and take some Crust chocolate sandwich cookies and yummy, delicious melted butter. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix all these until they're fully incorporated and combined. Now that those are fully mixed, we're gonna go ahead and take our pie pan, add in our cookie crush, our crust cookies, and press them down either with the back of a measuring cup or the bottom of a glass or your good old hands until you have a nice, evenly dispersed, perfectly flat, delicious cookie crust. So good. Then you just want to go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, place it and let it bake for a good 10 minutes. After that, take it out of the oven, turn your oven off because that's the only time we're going to use it for this delicious pie, and let your crust hang out, set and chill, hop it in the fridge, and grab yourself some ice cream if you haven't already because you've been sneaking it and eating it because it's just so good and so delicious. So after you finish snacking on some delicious ice cream, go ahead, add 2 pints of our ice cream. Grab your hand mixer and start whipping up this melted ice cream until you have really soft peaks and everything is just nice and smooth and looking oh so delicious. And once you have your ice cream all whipped up, we're gonna go ahead and pour that into our pie pan. Then we just go ahead, pop this in the freezer for an hour or less until it's, really firmed up, nice and set, holds a shape. Then we come back and we eat some delicious, yummy chocolate ice cream pie. So our pie's been in the freezer, let it go for an extra 30 minutes, so it's been an hour and a half. It's fully set. It looks already so delicious. So good. I really need to have a slice of this right now. Well, maybe in a little bit. We'll see. Because I'll probably eat like more than one slice. Don't judge me. But that's all I have for you today. Don't forget, if you liked today's video or if you want to see more recipes that really incorporate ice cream, definitely let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below with any suggestions that you have or anything that you've tried or you want to try, but you're just not sure on how to do it. We can figure it out. We can do it. We can have ourselves some delicious ice cream dessert recipes that really just take that ice cream right out of the pint and just, well, if you haven't done so already, because I do. And then I gotta go buy another pint and then we gotta film. But you know what I'm saying. And while you're down there commenting, giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click that subscribe button and check out that KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway for your chance to win one of 20 awesome Artisan Series kitchen stand mixers. Pretty much that easy. Click the link, get all the information down below. Now, I'm gonna stop talking because I really want some pie. But I will see you all very, very soon. Until then, bye.